So today we will learn about how to put a simple interrupted suture. So for that we will be requiring a needle holder, a tooth forceps, and a straight cutting scissor, a model for putting the suture, and a suture material. Here we are using 3-0 chlorine material for doing a suture. So let's see how to hold a needle holder. So for properly holding the needle holder, there are two rings. So the ring finger will be going through the one ring and the thumb finger will be going to the other ring. We shouldn't go all the way through like this, but it's perfect when you are holding at the distalmost part of the finger. For supporting it and guiding it, we are having two fingers. The middle finger will be doing the role of supporting it and the index will be doing the role of guiding the nail. Then let's see how to hold a tooth forceps. So ideally there should be 3 points of contact for holding the tooth forceps. One is by the thumb and other one is by the index finger, and the third one should be it should be resting over the first space.
It should be held at the tip of the needle holder.
So the needle should be held at the junction of anterior 2/3 and the posterior 1/3. And while holding it, it should be perpendicular to the needle holder. Now using the tooth forceps, hold the one edge of the wound, just lift it nicely, and the point of contact should be at 90 degree so that you can put maximum pressure with minimal effort. The point of contact should be around 0.5 centimeter away from the margin of the wound. Likewise, the point of exit should be 0.5 centimeter away from the margin of the wound. Next, hold the tip of the needle and just supinate your hand like this. Now keep the tooth forceps away. Hold the needle with your thumb and the index finger. Now control the thread like this and pull it enough until you see the suture material is standing on its own like this. So here it will be forming a nice V, and for the first knot we should put 2 throws. So here comes one and the next one. Then hold at the tip of the short thread and just pull it nicely all the way around 360 degree like this. Next, again we are seeing a V, and needle holder goes in between those two strands, and a single throw is fine for the next one, and pull it nicely like this. And you should lateralize the knot away from the wound margin. So here we are using fluorine material, so we should put 5 knots for retaining the suture.
While approximating the suture, the short thread should go for the opposite side, which we call as the squaring of suture.
Next, for cutting the thread, it should be cut approximately around 1 centimeter away from the knot.